Hello friends, welcome to Sumatri channel. Today's recipe I am going to make brown chowri gara. This is also known as cowpeas in English. To make this brown chowri gara, I am using 2 cups of brown chowri pieces and I soaked about 12 to 13 hours, and after that drain out all the water and transfer to mixie jar. After transferring mixie jar, close the lid and grind one time, and after that open the lid. Your batter must be like this. Add little bit of water. Don't add too much water. Your vada is not going to be get. So after adding little bit of water, about 20 to 30 ml, then grind like a coarse batter. After that, transfer to a bowl, deep bottom bowl. If you want, you can grind like a smooth batter also. That is also good. Here I am using according to my taste. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. After adding salt, you need to add some of the vegetables, that is medium onion size pieces, and 2 teaspoons of about 1 tablespoon of ginger pieces, small finely chopped, and also green chili pieces according to your taste, and curry leaves and coriander leaves. All these make into small pieces and add to your black chowri piece vada batter. After adding all the ingredients, using hand, mix well. This vada is very healthy too, and also it is very tasty. We can use like a snack, or we can use like a breakfast also. After mixing the batter, for a deep fry heavy bottomed pan, we pour the cooking oil and heat the oil thoroughly. Wet the hands. Take a lemon size batter and take a plastic bag or plastic paper and make into flat as shown in a video. While doing this, you need to wet the plastic sheet also. After that, make into flat patches and fry into. After heating the oil, drop into the slowly drop into the oil. Fry both sides thoroughly. After frying the garas and transfer to paper towel. Repeat the process until all the batter is done. While frying, when you drop the garas into deep oil, until 1 minute, don't flip other side. If you flip other side, it will break vada easily. So after 1 minute only, you have to flip other side. Make as many you want until your batter is done. So vadas is ready to serve. You can eat as it is, or you can eat along with any kind of chutney or some kind of spicy powders. You can eat those. So I hope you like the recipe. Please like, do, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. For more videos, don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you for watching.